Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make cherry dump cake. My mom made this a lot for us as kids and I thought I'd show you guys how to make it. So the cool thing about this recipe is I get to show you guys how to do it in a Ninja. You don't have to, but it is quicker. So the first thing I'm going to do is turn it on, stick it on bake, and then stick it on 315. Then I'm going to set it for 20 minutes and let it preheat. While that's preheating, we're going to take some canned pineapples. We're going to open the can and separate the juice from the pineapple. Now you're just going to open 2 cans of cherries. I'm going to take the pan out of the air fryer and I'm going to pour 2 cans of the cherries in it and 1 can of the pineapple. Once you're done with that, give it a good mix. Once you're done mixing it, put it aside, and then we're going to take some white cake mix and start breaking up the clumps. Now take the white cake mix and put it all over top of your mixture of cherries and pineapple. Now I'm going to take a spatula and spread this out evenly. Now I'm going to take 1.5 sticks of butter and melt it in the microwave. Once it's melted, I'm going to add a little bit of that pineapple juice to it. Once you got that all mixed up, I'm going to pour it all over top of the white cake mix. Make sure you cover the whole thing with the butter. It helps if you tilt the pan to help move the butter to cover some of the white cake mix. Once you're done with that, put it in your Ninja and check on it every 5 minutes. I ended up putting it in for an extra 5 minutes to make sure it was golden brown. You can cut it with whatever you want, but I'll be using a pizza wheel. You can top it off with whatever you want, but I'll be using ice cream. So that's how you make cherry dump cake. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you let me know if you decide to try it. And until next time, bye!